Hello guys, my name is ShaHam Tech and you are seeing my channel ShaHam Tech. So guys, in today's video I will show you that how to make swipe up Facebook story on your Android phone. So this is the question that everyone have, that how to make the swipe up Facebook story. So in today's video I will show you that how to make this swipe up Facebook story on your Android phone. For that you have to go to Chrome, and Chrome you have to select Facebook. Like if you don't have Facebook icon, so you can write www.facebook.com, but I already have, so I will just enter to my Facebook account. So when you enter from Chrome to your Facebook account, so first thing that's important, that is you have to select desktop site. You have to make the desktop mode. After making the desktop mode, there is option you are seeing that in search bar there is m.facebook.com. so this is not the actual, so you have to write it there and you have to select and you have to write it www.facebook.com. when you write www.facebook.com, so now your screen is like on computer like desktop mode, and you have to select what you want, which link you want. So for that I will go and I will copy the link. So for that I will go to my Facebook channel, YouTube channel, and I will just copy the link from there. So I will just copy the first link, copy, share, and just select copy link. When you select copy link and go back, come to that Facebook site and just paste there that link. When you paste there that link, so there is writing fetching preview, so that will be preview, and just within now it's like previewed. So there is two options, guys. You are seeing that there is two options. One is newsfeed and one is your story. If you want to share it with a newsfeed and story, so you can share it with both of them. But if you so in today's video I just want to share it in my story, so I didn't want, so I will just select my story, your story, and I will unselect newsfeed, and I will just post this link in my Facebook swipe up story. So it will take time because my connection is just poor, I don't know why. So now it's posted. Yeah, when you post your that link there, so after that you have to go to your Facebook. Like I will go to my Facebook and I will show you that how it works. So now there is, you are seeing when I click on this and view website, it will show you view website, and I click on view website. So now it will directly go to that video that you want to share on Facebook. Sorry, internet is too much poor. So now you are seeing that it directly go to my YouTube video that I shared the link in swipe of Facebook story. So guys, this was today's video. If you really enjoyed this video, so subscribe my channel for more video, and press the bell icon to get all notification of all my videos. So see you in another video. Have a good time, and wish you more success and happiness. Goodbye.